My name is Jim Ahlin, and I am the co-founder of Roofer Marketers. When we started with Seven Figure Agency, and that was February of 2019, and we were at $4,500 in recurring monthly revenue. Prior to joining Seven Figure Agency, we had a lot of problems to solve. We were a very new agency. We were new in I was new in the agency space. So we really had to learn what to do right. And that's what the Seven Figure Agency has allowed us to do. I mean, we just followed the plan every step of the way and got continued growth along the way. We just crossed the $250,000 MRR. Life is different and better now from growing our agency from along the way and hitting multiple seven figures. We have financial freedom. We have time. It's just an amazing, life-changing experience. So when we were starting off in the agency space, we funnel hacked Josh, and that's kind of how we got familiar with him. And then we came to one of these events and realized he just gives everything away for free. So and since he gives so much, there was times in our agency, a year, 2 years in, where emails were going out still being signed as Josh. If you're thinking about joining Seven Figure Agency, do it now. It's been the best mastermind group that we've ever been a part of and really has accelerated the growth of our company.